guys, welcome to our animal footprint stamp program. This is Miss Lauren, and today we are obviously going to make some animal track footprints. So I'm going to show you guys how to make two different kinds. I may use more sponges than what you guys have because mine are a little smaller than the ones I packed into supplies. So you're going to need at least 2 sponges for both of your set of footprints. We're only going to make 1 stamp for each, but that's okay because we can just reuse it and make the 2. You're going to need your 2 pieces of cardboard. You're going to need some paint. You're going to need some scissors, a strong marker to draw the outlines of the feet on your sponges, and you will need a hot glue gun that is not on camera. So first and foremost, we are going to make deer tracks. So deer tracks are kind of like hooves, like that. So we are actually going to use 2 sponges for this because I don't know if there would be room for another. But you guys are absolutely going to have the room. Your sponges are bigger. So this together is going to be our moose print. And then I think we are going to do a bear paw, which is huge like this and a little long. And then they have 5 toes. And then they even have little claws. We'll see if we can cut out the claws later. So together, this is going to be our bear footprint. So next up, we are just going to cut out our little sponges. I would suggest using very strong scissors. These are fabric scissors. Woo! And they're a little stronger than normal scissors. Let's actually make this a little bit bigger. Maybe an X-Acto knife would work better. So don't do as I'm doing, friends. We're gonna try to make these better. Okay, so we have one side of our footprint right here. And we're gonna put that like that. And then we're gonna cut up our second guy. I like cutting things up kind of into pieces. It makes it easier for me. Whoop. Easier to cut out. There you go, it's kind of going now. It doesn't help that these sponges are also like super dry, but the ones you guys are gonna have are not that bad. Okay, and then off camera, I'm gonna glue this guy down. So we are just gonna put it to the side for now. And then we're gonna glue it down later. But that's gonna be our deer, moose, elk footprint. So here is the start of our bear footprint. I don't know what I would do if I saw a bear footprint on the ground. What would you guys do? Would you run and hide, or would you try to find the bear? I wonder. I bet a lot of you would try to go find it. I'm gonna try to make these round and go in like that. If you need mom and dad's help for this, totally cool. I probably could use my mom's help on this. Let's be real, because it's very hard to cut. And we don't want to ruin our sponges. So let's see, maybe we just kind of rip it. Perfect. Okay, so we have the bottom like that. And we're gonna just cut these into pieces and then cut them from there. So again, I hope your guys's are easier to cut than mine. We got his little toes. So you know what? We got 1, 2 paw prints like that. 2 little toes. And while they may not be perfect, I kind of like how that one has a claw on it, because bears, of course, are going to have big old claws. Oh no, I don't think I have room for 5. Maybe we'll only do... No, there we go. That'll be room for 5. And let's see if this little fifth one will fit. I usually do it like this. There we go. Okay, friends. So we've got the layout of our bear paw print, and we have our elk, deer, moose footprint right here. So off camera, I'm going to use the hot glue gun to glue everything down. And that way we will be able to use our stamps as stamps. All right, guys, so I've got my stamps all glued. Both of them are all glued. And we are going to paint them now so that we can use them as stamps. So we've got our deer. We will do the deer first. And I'm just using brown because that is the first one that I picked up. So you're going to paint it. And hopefully it all stays wet enough to make a footprint. Okay, ready? Moment of truth. We're gonna press down like that. Worked a little bit, so we're gonna use more paint. You guys probably won't have to. Like I said before, these sponges are just very dry. Let's try here. Oh yes, much better. So we've got our deer tracks right there. And then we're going to try our bear, lion, whatever you want to call this track. We need more brown paint. But yeah, for mine, I really got to glob it on. Okay, let's try it. Let's try the bear print. Smush it like that. Oh, that's awesome. We're gonna do one more so we have two of each. But I'm gonna put a little more paint on it. But that looks actually super cool. Okay, and then we'll put it right here. We'll go. All right. Well, thank you guys for joining me. These are super cool. If you do them and like them, let us know. Let me know if you want to see more programs like this. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Have a great day.